Good day children, this is Sangeeta, your craft teacher. So today I will be teaching you fridge magnet with ice cream sticks. So first I am taking a square paper, any color you can take it, and then on that you have to stick ice cream sticks. Why I am taking this paper? Because ice cream stick will stuck in a proper way. Take it, apply glue and stick it like this. This is the base of our fridge magnet. Now on that you can make some flowers. You can make some flowers like this. Some leaves. And a pot like this. That pot you can stick it here and then stick some flowers and some leaves here. You can make your variety of flowers. These flowers I already taught you. You have to cut in a circle. I had done it here with the zigzag scissor. Like this I have done it, and then take a quilling needle and then roll it and apply glue here in the end and then keep it for dry for some time. So your flowers will be ready in a seconds. You can make your quilling paper flowers also. That also you can stick it around. So this will be a flower pot fridge magnet. And this is the first one. The second one which I made it. It's like this. I made the grid of ice cream sticks and on that I had stuck this pot here and then some flowers on it. So for that you have to make this grid like this, okay? And then make one pot, stick it here and some flowers and leaves, and behind you have to stuck magnet. This is the second design, and the third design is this one which I had taken here on this paper. Same way you have to do this. You can take a vertically or horizontally. It's your choice. And after that I had stuck the cycle on. I made this cycle with the felt paper. First I had taken the printout of that and then I did the cutting on that felt paper. So I had stuck this cycle on that, and behind you can see a magnet is there. So this is the third way of our fridge magnet. Now if you want, you can change your designs. I have taken here like this cat stickers I had taken. That also you can stick it here. Like this you can stick. And behind you have to stick the magnet. So this is the third fridge magnet is ready. Now I had done the fourth one also. So instead of this cat, you can take, I had made this tree over here, a branch. branch of a tree I had taken over here. I will be sticking this on here, and then on that I will be sticking this owl. That owl is sitting on a branch of a tree. I had done a small baby of owl also, so this also will be on that. After sticking this owl over here, I will just cut this, the remaining part. You know now how to make this grid. So you have to take ice cream sticks like this. 4 ice cream sticks are enough for that. And then apply glue. Apply glue here and then stick the ice cream stick like this. So your ice cream stick grid will be ready. After that you can make on your designs, your patterns, your choice of multiple flowers, quilling paper flowers, that also you can take. I had taken here a small squirrel, that also you can stick it here. So this is the 4th idea. Now show me your creativity, post me personally. So this is the fridge magnet for today. Thank you so much everyone.